Hello, good day. My name is Kristen Samru and I'm going to be installing and configuring DHCP today. What that is basically a client-server protocol which provides an IP host with IP addresses or related configurations. So to start, we're going to go into our server manager. We're going to go into roles and click on add roles. From here, we're going to click next. We're going to check the DHCP server. Okay, once that's checked, we're going to click next again. Okay, it's just a few information, clicking next on that as well. We're going to validate and make sure it's correct. It is. Now we're going to click next. We do not have the necessary things to use the second option, so we're going to stick with the first. Click next. We're going to click add and add in a scope name. So I'll just name it Kristen Scope. We're going to add in our starting IP address. And our ending IP address. The subnet mask is going to be 255.255.255.0. I'm going to leave default gateway empty and I'm going to click OK. Going to go next on that, and I'm going to disable the DHCP v6. I'm going to use the current credentials and click next. Everything looks to be in order and I'm going to install. Okay, it was successful, so I'm going to close that. Okay, now I'm going to restart the machine. We're going to show that right in the address pool. So the scope that I just put in is still there. Okay, I'm going to go into Windows 7 right now and configure everything. So we're going to start in the Network and Sharing Center. Gonna click on the local area connection. Gonna go in Properties. Click on IPv4 and go into that properties. We're gonna have to check obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically and click OK. I'm gonna go in properties one more time because details, and everything is as it seems. DHCP is enabled. You can see the server. Now we have to go into advanced. Okay, you can see DHCP is also enabled in there. The last thing we have to do is go in command prompt to check and see if everything is working. Okay, so as you can see, it is enabled. We have our IP address that was given to us in this within the scope. And that is it. Thanks for watching.